There are so many exciting things happening in the Estacada School District right now. Last week, Estacada High School students participated in our career fair, an incredible opportunity for them to explore career and college pathways both locally and around the state. Events like these connect our students with real-world opportunities and set them up for success beyond high school. As we continue prioritizing career and college readiness, we're also strengthening our career technical education programs. We're continuing to support our great agriculture program, investing in upgraded tools and technology for our manufacturing pathway, and launching a new electrical systems program in partnerships with PGE and other local industry leaders. These efforts will provide more hands-on training, internships, and career-focused experiences for our students. Finally, a quick reminder for families. Parent-teacher conferences will be held on Monday and Tuesday, the week after spring break. We encourage you to take advantage of this time to connect with our staff and discuss your child's progress. Thank you for staying engaged, and I hope everyone has a fantastic spring break. You deserve it.